बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. This is one of the most important question of differential equation. This question is from June 20, paper double 3. A tank containing water is in the form of a hemisphere. The axis is vertical, the lowest point is A, and the radius is R, as shown in the diagram. The depth of water at time t is h. This means depth is h, and depth is variable, dh upon dt. It changes with respect to time. At time t0, the tank is full. This means at t0, the depth is r. Full means this, and this is the radius. Depth is h and it is r, because if this is r, then this must be r. At this instant, a tap, it's mentioned full and the depth of the water is r. At this instant, a tap at A is opened and water begins to flow out at a rate proportional to under root h. Flow out means negative, means dv upon dt is negative k under root h. The tank becomes empty at t14. That means at t14 the depth is 0. This is the volume equation of this water. So just copy this here. Pi upon 3 3r h square minus h cube. We have to prove this equation. See, there are two rates, dv upon dt and dh upon dt. When we have two rates, then we always use chain rule. So first we need to differentiate dv with respect to dh, v with respect to h. So pi by 3, when we will differentiate h square, we'll get 2h, so it will be 6rh, and this is 3h square. Now use the chain rule. dv upon dt, dv upon dh, and dh upon dt. Now substitute the values of all into chain rule. So dv upon dt is minus k root h, dv upon dh is pi upon 3 6rh minus 3h square. Copy dh upon dt. Now make dh upon dt the subject. So we have minus 3 I'm sorry, k root h over pi bracket 6rh minus 3h square. After shifting this on left side, we have this. This 3 will come here and this will come in denominator. Now we need to simplify h. So minus 3 k upon pi is a constant. We can take minus 3 common as well from denominator with h. So we have 3 pi h, and inside bracket we have 2r minus h. Fine. Now bring this under root h here, or we can divide we can bring this root h in denominator. See, This h has power 1 and this h has power half. So when we will simplify these two, we'll get h power half in denominator. So we have minus k pi, here we have h power half, 2r minus h. Now let the constant k upon pi be capital B, because it's mentioned we have to write B here, a new constant. Therefore we have dh upon dt minus B multiply h power half inside the bracket. So we have 2r h power half minus h power 3 upon 2. This is what we had to show. This is here. Good luck.